Hey, what's up, besties? It's your girl E.Michelle, and I'm back with another video. Thank you so much for stopping back by my channel. If this is your very first time, go ahead, stop what you're doing, click that subscribe button as well as the notification bell so you don't miss any more of my videos. Okay, so today's video is going to be our paycheck to paycheck budget. So we're just going to head on into July in here. So we've done our paycheck number 1. And now we're gonna do our paycheck number 2 on this side. Okay, and let's see, do we do anything fancy? I don't think we did anything fancy, so I'm cool with where it's at. So we're just gonna go ahead and get started. All right, so this payday is going to be July 15th, and we're putting our total up here of how much we're going to be working with. Okay, and then I put budget, so it skipped one. As I get used to it, it'll start matching more and make a lot more sense. Okay, so I did do the line, so let me get my ruler. If I can find my ruler. What did I do with my ruler? The good ruler. Y'all, I had a whole ruler up here. And now I feel unruly. I feel like it's being unruly. As I can't find. Sorry about that. I'm over here moving, trying to find stuff. Okay, so we're just gonna have to improvise. So I'm getting my happy planner one out. When everything else fails, you know, you do what you got to do. So I think this line is where we started on this page. Oh, this paper is like really kind of thick. Okay, so where I put budget is where all of them should start. Okay. Okay. So let's just write down the things so we can see how many we have to go. So we have our car note, which we're budgeting $500. You guys know that. Navient, and that's $88 every single paycheck. Capital One is only $25, but I'm paying $50 on it. And Sprint is $122.63. MLGW is $180. Okay, and then here was one that I forgot about completely because I was trying to get rid of this storage that we had, and so this is going to be the last month because everything must go because they're charging us $67.50 every month, and we're not, like, I guess, I don't know if everything works out, we kind of will need the stuff in there, but at the same time I don't think we'll need the stuff that's in there. So yeah, I don't know, $76.77. Okay, and then we have our Netflix, and that is $15.32, and iTunes storage, and that is $2.99. Okay, so I'm gonna write, you know what, I think I'm gonna keep everything. Maybe this will be like miscellaneous or keep everything together. Yeah, like I think that's how I want it to be. So like this section will be miscellaneous items, but I'll go ahead and keep cash envelopes because I do that every month. So cash envelopes and sinking funds. Okay, so I'm gonna put those up here. And then down here, I'll have miscellaneous. And then that way I can list things like, I probably wrote that too big, but I can list things like traffic tickets and my dermatology appointment and refill. So yeah, let's do that. Okay, and then we have my dermatology appointment. And I decided that I was going to get my hair done, and she just let me know that it's going to be on the 30th, which I have another payday coming up. So I'm just going to remind myself of that I have a hair appointment on that day, so that I don't forget how much that's going to cost. So I just want to be mindful of that. And then I want to be mindful of my refill for my meds. So the real expensive ones are not like up for refill just yet, because they're creams and you don't have to use a lot of the creams or whatever just yet. So I'm good on those. So I'm not even worried about it. So cash envelopes, we're doing $420, and our sinking funds, we're doing $80. Our traffic tickets together, one was $95 and the other one was 40, 45, or was it 50? The other one was 50. Okay. The other one was 50 because it'd be 145. So I just want to make sure I note that I have two different tickets to pay. So that's why I'm listing them separately. My derm appointment is $45 because the specialty doctor, I hate that they do that. And then to refill my meds should be about $30 as well. Okay, so we're going to add everything up on here. Oh, let's make the rest of our lines and then we'll put them in categories. So we have our budgeted. I hope I'm like straight with my line, even though it's okay. This take a lot of concentration. I don't know if y'all can tell, because last time I was tearing up them boxes. See, look, it ain't nothing to tear up a box. I kid you not. It takes nothing. It takes 1 second to tear up a whole box for no reason. Like, why? Why would I do this? And I'm the type of person, like, I like things to be kind of neat and organized when I look at it. So I like it to be visually pleasing to my eyes. And if I don't feel like it's visually pleasing to my eyes, we get a whole nother story. Okay, so anyways, we're going to do our actual versus the difference over there. So we just need some more of our pens. And we need to do a remaining column down there so we know what we have left over, and make any special notes of things that may be coming up. So let's go ahead and grab one of those cute little sticky notes that I'm loving having down there at the bottom. I don't know, it just like makes me self-aware of what's to come and like what may be coming up next. So I'm gonna put this one on this side this time because that's cute. Okay, so here should be actual, and then I put difference up here, but the correct way is plus or minus. So I did watch someone, they did that. I was like, oh, that makes a lot more sense than what I was doing. So yeah, this is everything. We're gonna add it all up. So we'll have our total and then remaining. Now last time I messed up these boxes, so let's see if I can not tear up these boxes like this. Okay, it's looking pretty good, guys. be a little bit off only because of the coil on that side. But boom, we did it. We in there like swimwear. Okay. Okay. So we have our total and we have our remaining. Should I run a line through there? No, I'm just not gonna worry about it. So we need to add all of this up and see what we have here. And if you guys didn't know, my phone my camera decided to die on me the other day. So I'm filming on my phone that I usually use my calculator with. So we're using my cracked phone to aid us in this. So let's see what we come up with. So we have 500 plus 88 plus 50 plus 122, 30, 180 plus 67, 50 plus 76, 77 plus 15, 32 plus 299 plus 500. Okay, so with all of that up there, that puts us at 1603. And I just want to make a note of that up here, just so I know what my normal expenditures would be in a month. So I'm just going to put 1603.21 here. And then I'm going to go in and add the rest. So plus 95 plus 50 plus 45 plus 30. Okay, so then that's gonna bring our total to 1823.21, which is a little bit high for this paycheck. Like, for sure it's a little bit higher, and that's because of all these like little extra things here. Those definitely add up. Like, let's just see how much that is. The difference, that's an extra $220 that I'm going to be dishing out this month. So that's something to think about, especially like, I mean, I know I can't do anything about my dermatology appointment or my refill, but those traffic tickets are definitely ones to think about, because it's $145 that I just did not have to spend. So we'll do 1823.21 minus 211. Okay, so that's going to leave us with remaining, and we're going to be in the green this time because I did the math backwards. We're going to be in the green this time, and it's going to be 187.79, and that's after paying everything. Okay, so some things that I want to note for next month. I have a hair. I'm getting my hair braided on the 30th, and I think it's gonna be $125 plus the cost of hair. So I usually need I'm just gonna put around $200, because by the time I get done buying the hair plus the tip and all that stuff, it usually comes to about $180 or something. So I want to make sure I take that to the thing, and I think I'll use some of my income from something else to pay for that, but just in case, I want to make sure I make a note of that. Some things that are coming up for next month. So what I want to do with this balance is I want to pay the $87 on the what was I saying? I want to pay the $87 on the Capital One. And so that will, so from the remaining, okay, sorry about that. The 87 is going to go to Capital One, and then the $100 this time is going towards Nashville, so I can make sure all of that is taken care of. So that is what my my goal is for the remaining, is going to be putting that $87, and that's going to pretty much leave me with nothing left as far as this paycheck goes. I always keep a little bit of a cushion just in case something comes out that I'm unaware of, but yeah, so that's where we are right now. So the remaining, we have 187.79, and this is what I plan to do with it to kind of balance out everything and make everything real extra. So I was thinking about maybe just going in and adding like a little sticker or something like that. Like, I just feel like it was missing just a little something, you know what I'm saying? This is missing something. So we're gonna add a calculator to the bottom because that's cute and all. So yes, and I think, okay, I think we're done here. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know how your budget turned out for this paycheck, and I will catch you guys in our update to do our actual versus what we spent and see how we came out. Thank you guys. Mwah. KK, bye.